everyone, my name is Elizabeth Ruff. Today I am going to recite a poem called The Garden of Gold, written by Lois E. Felder. The poet is telling about the grandma's love. I walked through the garden on this warm summer's day to smell the flowers that grandma raised. In the middle of this garden of gold stood this one single red stem rose. The rose means so many things, from the ones you receive on your wedding day to the ones you get on Valentine's Day. But this rose standing here today represents the love Grandma gave. From the love she gave when she planted it that day to the love she gave us each and every day. So when you pass this garden of gold, remember the love that this rose holds. Thank you.